Welcome to the 5th video in our Open Fender System Installation Guide series for the 2017 Dodge Ram HD. In this video, we will be going through the process needed to install the inner fender. Our goal is to provide this comprehensive instruction in manageable chapters and steps so that an individual will feel comfortable during the process. This is not a replacement for the professional skills and experience required. Disclaimer: this product is for off-road use only. All liability for installation and use rests with the owner of the vehicle. Careless installation and operation can result in serious injury or equipment damage, and for professional installation only. Chapter 7, Step 1. Installing the inner fender hardware. Start by placing the inner fender into position underneath the front wheel well. Line up the upper mounts to the existing holes in the underside of the truck frame. Bolt in the top mounting locations and tighten with an impact driver. For the lower mount, a drill tip screw will be used to bolt the mounting location to the frame. You're now finished with mounting the driver's side inner fender. All steps should also be done to the passenger side. You can move on to Chapter 8.